In this tutorial series, we will learn how to convert designs into responsive websites and generate developer-friendly code using Protoship Codegen. First, we are going to install the plugin on our machine. For this, we'll visit protoship.io and click on Install Codegen. Let's download the plugin and unzip it. Then, we will install it by simply double-clicking on it. You should also follow along with this tutorial by visiting the tutorial page and downloading the sample sketch file. Let us open this file and click on Full Export from the Plugins menu. This should export our design to Codegen. But first, let's quickly create an account so that we can authenticate our uploads. And now, let's begin the export. And here is the converted page. What we are seeing now is the HTML and CSS generated by Codegen from our sketch design. We can click on different elements in the canvas and inspect their CSS properties. We can download the generated code by opening the sidebar and clicking on Generate Code. We can also see the full preview of the page by clicking on the HTML preview button. And this is only the first step. If all you need is a non-responsive website in a fixed-width canvas, then this would have been enough. But with Codegen, you can create fully responsive pages that work across mobiles, tablets, and large desktops. It will also generate high-quality code that a developer can welcome into their code base. We'll learn how to do exactly that over the next couple of videos. So let's get started.